Hey everyone, welcome back to another session of Kubernetes. In this session, we'll understand node selector in Kubernetes. Next to it, we'll see why we use node selector and see practically how it works with real world scenario. We'll see how to label the node using kubectl commands, and after that, we'll create a manifest file for it for the pod with using the node selector. So let's first understand what is node selector. So let's say we have a three node cluster of which two are a smaller node. In the diagram you can see we have two smaller nodes and one of them is with larger node with higher resources. So in the current default setup any pod goes on any nodes. So we can set limitation on the pods so they can run on the particular nodes only. So we can use commands like kubectl label nodes and give the node name. In the practical implementation we'll see how we can do. So let's begin the practical implementation. So we'll go to our control plane node and if you give the command kubectl get nodes dash o wide. So here you can see we have three nodes, one control plane and we have another two worker nodes, node 1 and the node 2. So first we'll label the nodes. So for this we'll give the command. First I will clear the screen and give the command kubectl label nodes and give the node name node 01 I want to assign and give the size we want large. So if you press enter, so node 1 is get labeled and next we'll create a manifest file. So I have already a manifest file. I will show you and explain vi pod.yml. So it will save my time. So here we can see first we have API version. So this will specify the API version used to create the pod. Next, we'll see kind. So it indicates the object being defined in a pod. After that, you can see metadata. And here we'll assign the name. Assign the name for the data processor we assign for this pod. Next, you can see spec. In this, we have list of container that will run this pod. In this case, it has one container. So the container name is processor and image we are using the BG box. It's lightweight. That's why I'm using. So we'll apply this pod and we'll save this and give the command kubectl apply dash f and give the pod name pod.yml. So here first I missed one point. Here you can see in the node selector we have given the size large which we have labeled. So you can specify here node selector and give the size large. And now we'll save it again and give the command kubectl apply dash f and give the pod name pod.yml. Press enter. So the pod gets created data pod. So if we want to check where which in which node it gets to proceed, so give the command kubectl get pods dash o wide and here you can see pod issuing status, running status, and it's assigned on the node 1 which we have assigned. So in this way we can assign node to the pod using node selector. And the next question come, what if we give when the pod come in pending states. So if we give this, like if we give the size equal to large, which we have not labeled. So let me show you how we can do. First, we'll delete this pod. Ctl. First, we'll go inside the YML file and copy this content. Now we'll delete this pod. Pippetal delete delete pod and give the pod name data processor. So we'll delete it. It will take time to delete. And after it, we'll again create a pod, but with size, like we'll give the size medium. So it's taking time. So it gets created. Now we'll again go to the YML file, vipod.yml, and here we change the size, like from large we'll change it to medium. So now we'll apply it. WQ, and now we'll again create it. So this time it will go in pending state. kubectl apply dash f pod.yml. So here you can see pod gets created, but if you check the status, it will in pending state. kubectl get pod hyphen o, sorry, dash o white. Now you can see its status in pending state because we didn't mention the label. So if you don't mention, like first you should label this pod like node. So that's all from this video. In the next video we'll see more advanced topic of this, like what is node affinity. So that's all from this video. Thank you.